And so the Digby saga continues. I've been out on the road really enjoying driving Digby. And later on this month, we're going to do a road test video with you. But in this particular video, I want to address these things right here, okay? My roof bars. I know I'm getting a lot of comments that say, can't you got to get rid of those roof bars, you know, those roof bars are ugly. And you can see I've got cherry over here. And I got people telling me the headlights are ugly and cherry. And I've got Piper over here. People are telling me that the steering wheel is ugly in Piper and that I should remove those chrome eyebrows. So if I follow all the comments, you know, I got a lot of work to do here, folks. Some of you might wonder why I turned the comments off. Well, this might just give you a clue. You see these roof bars right here? The roof bars are going to stay on Digby. Why? There's three reasons. Three reasons why these are staying on this car. Number one is just to annoy you viewers who think that your opinion should be the opinion of everyone else. So if you don't like my European headlights on Piper there, too bad. You don't need to say anything. If you don't like the round headlights on my 38SL, which of course I kind of like the US headlights. I know you Europeans think they're ugly, but I just wanted you to know about these roof bars. Now the second reason is I actually like the roof bars. They give Digby a distinctive look, if you know what I mean. Kind of different from other 123s on the road. They give it a historical reference. And the third reason, of course, is these are going to fulfill a very practical purpose for Digby, because I can put my bicycle up on here, I can put my paddleboard on here, and the canoe, and whatever else I want, including a whale. If I had a whale, I could get my whale up on here as well. So I just wanted you folks to know out there watching this video and following the YouTube Digby saga that these are the reasons why the roof bars are staying on.